individual stock movers. It's a podcast. Here's Alexis Christoforous.
All right, guys, let's start with Unity Software. This stock is on the move today. It's up now about 14%. It is a San Francisco-based gaming company, and they released preliminary first quarter results that beat our earlier forecasts on both the top and bottom line. So when you dig in here, here's what Wall Street seems to like. Unity is going to close its Iron Source ads network and has hired an advisor to find a buyer for its supersonic games publishing business. Those titles include things like Bazooka Boy and Clone Boy, which we know Paul Sweeney's all about. Unity it makes tools that help developers design and make money off of video games. So it wants to now focus on Vector. That's its AI-driven advertising unit. But get this, shares of Unity are down 60% year to date. And that's because of Google's Project Genie that some say we're going to disrupt the way video games get made. So Unity making some strategic moves to sort of, I guess, give it its best advantage.
All right.
All right, they say it is 5 o'clock somewhere, right? So let's talk a little cocktails. Francis Pernod-Ricard.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, owner of Absolut Vodka, and Brown-Forman, of course, the owner of Jack Daniels. They're apparently in discussions about a possible merger. So what would this look like? Well, the world's second largest spirits maker would come together with the world's largest producer of American whiskey. They're calling it a merger of equals if it were to happen. Pernod up about 3.5% right now. Class B shares of Brown-Forman, though, are down a little bit. Wall Street seems mixed on this possible hookup. Look, we know that spirit companies have been going through it, right? Because sales have been slumping now for years, and also tariff pressures, let's not forget. That's causing a lot of valuations there to slide. So Brown-Forman stock has actually been under pressure for years, losing about half of its value. So some analysts are questioning the timing of this possible deal. They're pointing to the fact that Pernod-Ricard has made some big acquisitions over the past few years, and they were hoping they'd actually focus a little bit on, you know, paying down debt as opposed to running out and buying or merging with another company.
I think people are drinking less because they're gummying up, doing the gummy thing.
Oh, the CBD gummy thing.
I think it's a thing.
I went to a formal business lunch the other day. Not one single person at the table, including me, had a beverage.
And
I think I've never seen that, except, you know, in LA you see it because everybody's, you go to Michael's in Santa Monica,
right?
No one's drinking because, you know, Michael's like at the bar going, are you kidding me? Somebody order a beverage.
Well, that's where the restaurants make their money, right? Because of the margins there. But yeah, it's true.
Okay.
All right. And let's talk a little Blue Owl. So the stock is down 1%. It is down 40% year to date. And a lot of this is about the jitters regarding private credit. So this is interesting timing. And maybe, you know, maybe this is a winning strategy. I don't know. But Blue Owl is going to expand its team to bring ultra wealthy investors into private markets. So it's looking to partner with family offices across various opportunities. It's, you know, hoping that people are going to look past those recent jitters to expand into an area that they've traditionally had, you know, limited exposure to, that is retail investors. So the firm, of course, grappling to shore up confidence here in its retail-focused funds, looking to partner with those family offices. It's hired Blake Shorthouse from KKR to lead the push and has expanded the team to about 8 people. So we'll see if that goes anywhere.
All right. I mean, I don't know. I think there's a lot of appetite on the part of these private wealth managers and family offices.
Dry powder out there for sure.
You really wonder over the weekend with all that's going on with the tape and with the yields, where yields are. It's going to be fat. You asked someone this the other day. Just simply put, does the M&A boom that everyone, including New York City's enjoyed, does it continue?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, the expectations were for a big year, but maybe the last 4 or 5 weeks have shaken that a little bit.
Alexis Christoforous, thank you so much. It's Stock Movers. It's a podcast.
And
such.